Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make Taylor Swift in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So here we are in Infinite Craft, and the first thing that we will need is a wind plus fire to create smoke, and then add water to create fog, and then once you have fog, you want to add earth right here, and then you want to add wind into that, and then add another earth to create planet. Once you have planet, you want to go for water and then fire with water to create steam and combine fog and planet and combine Venus and steam. And now you have life. Once you have life, is that the next thing that you want to do is to go for Venus right here, and then you want to go combine it with fog to create love. And then once you have love, you want to go for water, and then you want to go for earth right here to create plant. And once you have plant, you want to go add it with wind. And then you want to add it with water next to create wine, and then add another water to create holy water, and then add another fire to create vampire, and add life into it to create death. And then you want to go mix it with love to create heartbreak. Once you're done, you want to go for water and water to create lake, and then add another lake to create ocean, and then add another earth to create island, and then another island to create continent. And then you want to go for steam and steam to create cloud. And then the next thing is we're going to go for water right here to create rain, and then add another rain to create rainbow. And then once you have rainbow, combine it with continent, and then you would have America. And then once you have America, you want to go for plant and plant to create tree, and then dandelion to create wish, and then add another tree to create money, and then add a life right here and add it with dust to create human, and then add it with money to create rich. And then once you have rich, you want to go for human, and then you'd have king, and then you want to add love into it to make it queen, and then you want to go for America and then queen to create American queen, and then add another American queen to create American queen, and then add another one to have prince, and then add love to create the princess, and then combine it with heartbreak, and now there you have it. You now have Taylor Swift.